Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to create a TikTok in Canva. Alright, let's begin. First, open your browser and go to canva.com. Once you're on Canva, use the search bar at the top and type TikTok. When you do this, Canva will suggest thousands of TikTok video templates, over 2,800 to be exact. These templates are ready-made video designs that you can customize to fit your style and content needs. You can pick any template to start with if you already have an idea of what kind of TikTok you want to create. But if you want complete control, I recommend creating your TikTok video from scratch by choosing a blank template. Starting fresh allows you to add your own creative elements, media, and style exactly how you want. Now, once you're inside the Canva editor, the first step is to add your media. You can use videos or images from Canva's extensive library or upload your own clips. For this tutorial, I'm going to make a motivational TikTok, so I downloaded a video from pexels.com, which is a free royalty-free media website. After downloading the video, go back to Canva and open the Uploads tab on the left sidebar. Upload your downloaded video by dragging it into Canva or selecting it through the Upload menu. Once your media uploads, drag it onto your blank TikTok canvas. Depending on the original size and dimensions of your video, you might need to resize or crop it to fit the TikTok vertical format perfectly. Simply click on the video and use the corner handles to zoom in or out, making sure the most important part of your video fits nicely inside the frame. After your video is positioned, you can enhance it by editing the clip. Click the Edit Video button above the canvas to see options like brightness, contrast, saturation, or adding filters. For my motivational video, I want a strong, impactful look, so I applied a dark filter and increased the intensity to make the colors deeper and more dramatic. Next, add your text overlay, which is a crucial part of a TikTok video to catch attention. Click on the text button on the left and choose Add a Heading. Then, paste or type your motivational quote or message. Make your text large enough to be easily read on a phone screen. Center it horizontally and adjust the placement vertically to a clear area of the video. To make the text stand out, change the font style to something bold and strong, and set the color to white or another bright shade that contrasts with your video background. Canva also has text effects that help your text pop. Click on Effects, then choose options like an outline, shadow, or background highlight behind the text. This adds more visibility, especially when the video background is busy or dark. Now let's add audio to bring your TikTok to life. One great feature is adding a text-to-speech voiceover. To do this for free, go to voicemaker.in in a new browser tab. Paste your motivational quote into the text box. The website offers multiple voices to choose from, so pick one that sounds natural and fits your TikTok vibe. After selecting a voice, click Convert to Speech and listen to the preview. Once you're happy with the voice, download the audio as an MP3 file. Head back to Canva and upload this voice file into your project through the Uploads tab. Drag it onto your timeline below your video. Resize the video timeline or trim the audio clips so they sync well. Play your TikTok to make sure the voiceover matches the visuals smoothly. You can also add background music by searching Canva's audio library. Choose a track that fits your TikTok theme, motivational, upbeat, funny, or whatever you want, and adjust the volume so it complements the voiceover. After you've put all these pieces together, video, text, voiceover, and music, review your TikTok. Check that the text is legible, the audio is clear, and the video flows well. When you're satisfied, it's time to export your TikTok. Click Share in the top right corner, then choose Download. Select MP4 video format for the best quality and compatibility with TikTok. Once downloaded, the file will save to your device's Downloads folder. Now your TikTok video is ready to upload to the TikTok app. So that's basically how you can create a TikTok in Canva. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.